Okay, so it's an amazing rainy night here in the rainforest, and that means it's a great night to go and find some amphibians and other sorts of water-loving wildlife. And today I think I found, I believe it's called Synax ictericus. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe so. Look at that beautiful animal. So little is known about this species too, and its habitat. I mean, this frog is currently heavily threatened due to habitat loss, and this is just another example of how we are losing species before we know anything about them. Let me see if I can grab my headlamp here without him jumping away. Look at that. What a beautiful little guy.